So I'll read this little letter to you as the only thing that I'll read out loud to you, and then I'll just go through the actual journey and kind of give a voiceover. So dear reader, don't judge me for my 100 bad ideas, judge me for my one good one, because it's the only one that matters. So please find enclosed inside my private journal for both $100 million offers and $100 million leads. These books have consumed a lot of my time and effort over the past few years. I curated only the most legible of my notes, and I grouped them in a way that made some sense of the concept evolution. As you will look through these notes, you will see me wrestle with the ideas kind of in front of your eyes. You'll see how they evolved and maybe get a deeper understanding as a result. And you'll also see some ideas I cut from the books, but still hold merit in their own right, but didn't really work in the flow that I kind of probably just put into other content or haven't released yet. Spoiler alerts. So I hope you guys enjoy these notes and the books as much as I enjoyed making them for you. And P.S. you cannot lose if you do not quit. So this is our table of contents for the books. I kind of broke it into kind of two mini books. I've got our $100 million offers journal, which is all the notes related to $100 million offers, which I actually had to find an old iPad and then go through, like, thank God I backed up things on Google Drive, all my notes from that iPad, export those, and then I had to go through, it actually took me an inordinate amount of time to go through the notes because they weren't really categorized, and then categorize them and then put them into an order, which actually reminds me of my old consulting days. And then the second book was $100 Million Leads, which thank God was just on my current iPad. And you'll see how all the ideas kind of became what they are today.